question. I don't know how to solve this question. How to state the domain? How to state the range? I don't know. Yeah, oh my god. Guys, can you help me to answer this question?
Yes, of course we can.
What question is it?
Okay, the question asks us to find the domain. So, how can we find the domain? Okay. Insert, we know that expression intercept must be greater or equal to 0. So, x greater equal to -1. So, the answer is include -1 to infinity. Next, we should find the range. So how can we find the range of fx? So in order to find the range, we can use the method at which we cover up the question and we see there is nothing left here. Therefore, the answer is include 0 to infinity. Next, the question asks us to find the inverse of f. So we let the inverse of x equal to y. So fy equal to x. Now we substitute it with y. So set y plus 1 equal to x. So in order to remove this set, we can square both sides. Now we got y plus 1 equal to x squared. Y equal to x squared minus 1. Therefore, the answer is the inverse of x equal to x squared minus 1.
In order to find the domain for inverse function, it is equal to the range of the original function. Then we will get 0 until infinity. Then we find the range for the inverse function. It is equal to the domain of the original function. Then we will get -1 until infinity. The last step is we need to sketch the graph on the same axis. First, we need to provide y-axis and x-axis. For this function, the shape of the graph is y-bar. And with the domain, we know that the graph is to the right and upward because it is positive. So, for the starting point, we know that x plus 1 equal to 0 and x equal to -1. So, the starting point is from -1 and 0. So, we draw the y-bar here. In order to find the y-intercept, x must be equal to 0. So, we substitute x equal to 0 into the function. And we will get y is equal to 1. Next, we want to draw a refraction line which is 45 degrees to the x-axis. And this is y equal to x and it is 45 degrees. Then, we fold the paper on the line in order to find the graph of the inverse function. Then, we sketch the graph at the back of the paper. After we sketch, and we will get a shape here. And this is equal to -1 and this is 1 because it is inverse. Don't forget the label. This is inverse fx and this is original fx. And this is equal to 0. And it is done.